Member for Hiri Koiari questioned the Prime Minister, stating how does the government spend billions of kina on roads under the Connect PNG program while the hospitals and rural clinics are closed due to lack of medical supplies.
To procure medicines directly from WHO approved.
Following that, the Prime Minister assured the Parliament that the government do not compromise with health sector's funding. He said Health Minister will update the country on the exact allocation of fund transferred to each of the medical procurement.
I want to give assurance to this Parliament that at no time do we intend to use Connect PNG, for instance, to be priority over other relevant sectors, like Health Department or Education for that matter, or any other allocations. I want to give assurance to this House through this question. The final budget outcomes that Treasury releases every year is on record. It's on record from
Hiri Koiari MP reflected on the last medical supply contract in 2019 and asked what measures will be taken to restore transparency in regular procurement processes.
Into directive to procure medicines directly from WHO approved manufacturers was meant to improve availability and quality. Given the ongoing shortages, does the Prime Minister concede that this approach has failed? If so, what alternative measures will the government take to ensure essential medicines reach our hospitals and clinics?
Prime Minister stressed that in every budget, the government prioritized 3 areas.
Procurement remains one of our number one priority expenditures. In fact, every January when our financial year starts, at least under this Pangu government's watch, we make sure health and education core expenditures up in January. They ranked in the top 3 expenditures to be on the shelf.
He further added that each of the provincial health authorities across the country receive equal funding. Keith Iduhu also raised concern on a health project in Central Province.
On the eve of the elections 2022, the good Prime Minister with the former Governor for Central Province launched a billboard project at Bautama for Central Province Hospital. Yeah. And the good Prime Minister also confirmed or advised the people of Central Province when this project will commence and if funding will be allocated at all in this term of Parliament.
This was Prime Minister's response.
Funding transferred from Planning, Finance, Treasury to Health Department for health sector infrastructures. And so I have called for accountability on the spread and disbursements. Some of this funding were meant for provincial health as well as district health. It is not for spending a little here, a little there, a little neither.
Esther Gane, National EMTV News.